Hey guys, welcome back to NextGenMotors, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, future models, and everything automotive. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us bring more awesome content straight to your screen. Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a model that's already generating buzz across the automotive world. Toyota continues to build on its winning formula with this updated version, combining sporty styling, practical features, and a performance-oriented setup that's sure to please fans of the compact SUV segment. If you're someone who values efficiency, safety, and style all wrapped into one solid package, then the 2026 Corolla Cross might just be your next ride. Starting with the exterior, the new Corolla Cross showcases a sportier design than its predecessors. With bolder lines, an aggressive grille, and newly designed LED headlights, it commands more road presence than ever before. The updated body structure is slightly wider and lower, giving it a dynamic look that reflects its enhanced driving capabilities. The rear also gets a sleeker update with redesigned taillights and a more pronounced bumper, making it stand out on both urban streets and open highways. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features an efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a continuously variable transmission, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel economy. For those wanting a bit more punch, Toyota is expected to offer a hybrid variant that enhances both performance and mileage. There are also rumors of a sporty trim coming with a turbocharged engine, though Toyota hasn't confirmed full specs just yet. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Corolla Cross is a step forward in both comfort and technology. The interior features a redesigned dashboard with a larger infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intuitive interface. Premium materials and improved seat cushioning offer a more upscale feel across all trims. Rear passengers get better legroom thanks to the slightly stretched wheelbase, and cargo space is ample, making it ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Toyota's Safety Suite continues to be a highlight, with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense included as standard. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking to be available across the lineup. These updates not only improve driver confidence but also make the Corolla Cross one of the safest options in its class. So if you're in the market for a compact SUV that blends sporty aesthetics, efficient performance, and advanced features, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross deserves a serious look. With its refreshed styling and upgraded tech, it stays true to the Corolla legacy well.